Morning guys, I'm just going to give you a quick simulation here of your bait boat. You've just seen me reset the system. This is the Spyder Tech RTK system within your bait boat. I want to show you the time it's going to take for first fix. So that's what that really means, is how long it takes the boat to connect and get a full signal. There we go, 17 seconds. So the boat's now got a standard connection. We've gone into RTK float, as you can see here. This is the movement that you would get from any GPS system. We've gone into a GPS RTK fixed state. We've got a good signal, you can see here. These are the satellites that we're connected to, and we're currently connected to 17 satellites. We've got an H-stop of 0.8. As we give this a few moments, you'll see the satellites are counting up. The H-stop is coming down. This will eventually gain up to 32 satellites with a good clear sky above us. And there we have it. That's how quickly you can expect Spyder Tech RTK system to connect your bait boat to RTK. See you next time.